Okay, you guys know there's a lot of good deals this week at the Happy Planner, right? This, by far, is my favorite one of all. Do you know why? Squad Girls. Yes. You know we all love the Squad Girls, at least most of us do. I'm so excited that they brought them back. There's a full-size sticker book in here. Also, can we talk about this planner cover? So this will fit a classic size planner. Let me just show you one in comparison. So this is my classic planner and this is the pouch. I have one of these in pink. I don't know if you guys have that one. I love it so much because it's soft, it's made out of cloth, it's really thick, and it fits a lot of stuff. I use the pink one all the time when I'm planning in another part of the house, and I'll stuff it full of like washi tape and scissors and all of that and some pens. Or I also used it when I went on vacation and I like fit so many pens in here. Pretty much all my Tombos, like all these other pens and washi tape all went in here, and it's great for traveling around like that. But you can also put your planner in here, obviously. I just don't. I use it for accessories and like pens and stuff. Okay, so this is what the zipper looks like. It's gold, and we have this little pull. It's like navy blue. And the zipper on this is really good. So this is exactly the same as the other one. And it's a really good zipper. Like, it's never given me any problems at all. Look at the goodies inside. Look at these goodies. Okay, let's take everything out. I haven't looked at these yet. I knew this was coming, but I didn't look at any of it yet. So I'm really excited about this. All right, so we have some washi tape, some sticky notes, bookmarks, and the sticker book. Let's take a look at everything one at a time. I'm going to start with the things I'm least interested in and work up to the things I'm most interested in, because that's how I do it here on my channel. Of course, what I'm least interested in and most interested in, that's really hard to say over and over again, that might be the same or different for you. I don't know. So if you saw the, oh my gosh, there's fuzzies. If you saw the video earlier this week, with the adventure bundle, these look similar to those bookmarks, how they're kind of cut out like that. That's so cute. So we have two classic size bookmarks. These just snap into your planner. You can mark your part of the week that you're in, or you can use it to section off stuff. I think these are really, really cute. Be your own kind of happy. Look at the girls. They're like standing on the letters and sitting on the letters. Look at that one. She's like reading in the A. That's so fun. That's really cute. And then this one, they're in like a field of flowers. Wait, I should put these on white so you can see them better. Yeah, so this one's on like a field of flowers, right? And leaves. Look at, there's even the dog there. I'm not naming it. I'm not. You can name it. Name it in the comments. But how cute are these? Yeah. I don't even use these bookmarks very much, but I feel like I want to. Also, something to note about the bookmarks, and I don't know if that pertains to these. Yeah, I can see it. So there's this clear cover. This little film comes on the bookmark, and you don't even know it. It's so subtle. It's like they're trying to trick us, you know? But it always looks better once you pull it off. So let me show you. Oh my gosh, I can't get it off though. Oh, it's on the other side. That's why. It is on the other side. I was trying to peel the film off this side. Why? What is wrong with, what is my life? I shouldn't say what is wrong with me. That's horrible to say. What am I doing? I've been filming all day, so I'm not feeling like my brain is working that properly right now, but look. Yeah. So I'm telling you, I was right. And now it looks even cuter, don't you think? I mean, can you tell? I don't know if you can tell the difference, but it's there. And now we'll do this one. Just, okay, so this is what it looks like now. Let's see. Let's see what it looks like when I pull it off. I think it looks, see, there's with it and here's without it. Not that it makes much of a difference, but you can see what I mean. That's just a protective film that you need to pull off. They also come on the checklist stencils, just so you're aware that it's there, because I did not know for the longest time. So there they are, those cute little bookmarks. All right, let's move on and stop talking about that. Sticky notes, that is my second least favorite or most favorite thing. These are so cute though. Oh my gosh. These snap into your planner. See? These are so cute. They are sticky. There's two little squad girls on there having their perfect day. And then this one's a little flag. It has tiny flowers and two little butterflies on there. How stinking cute. I love collecting sticky notes. We've talked about that before. They're super fun. And look how many you get. That's a really thick sticky note pad. All right, let's check out the washi tape. And let's be honest, I am really excited for the washi, but I'm most excited for the sticker book, as we know. Do I need to swatch these? Are you guys gonna make me swatch them? Oh, that is a hassle. That's a hassle. I'll do it for you though, because I love you. Okay, so this is a nice variety. We have some that have the squad girls on them and other ones have patterns. So this first one says, enjoy moments that make you slow down. And these girls, like they are on the bookmark, they're just sitting around reading. And this one's doing yoga. There's cats on there. So cute. We have some really pretty daisies on the blue. Love that one. And then all these separate girls here. You could even cut them out separately. Yeah, that would be kind of fun. Then we have florals here. More fun, more laughs, more love, some more girls there. Hello today, and then stripes at the bottom. This is what they look like. And I'm gonna add them to my washi tape wall. I made room. I figured out a way to put my washi tapes on the wall and still have room. I cheated. I stacked them this way instead of this way, some of them. Yeah, I know. Anything to fit more washi because I have more coming soon from the washi tape shop. I know, I have a problem. All right, let's check out the sticker book. I'm so excited for this sticker book. This one, I don't know. I've just been waiting for Squad Girl sticker book for the longest time. So it's just called Squad Goals. Happy Planner, will you please listen to me? Oh boy, because, okay. If it's called Squad Goals, there's already one called Squad Goals. We need to call it something else. Squad Goals 2 or something. Anyway, I'll mark it 2. So this is on paper. We have, okay, so one thing I want to mention, what I like about the new version of the Squad Girls is that there's some in all sizes. And there's also a girl with gray hair, different sizes, different skin tones, different ages. So it's a very inclusive Squad Girl sticker book. I like that. Perfect day. Best friends make good times better. Look at that. Look at those flowers are so pretty. I love the soft colors in here. Weekend with friends. This one has matte silver foil on it. I just want to read books and take naps. Me too, Happy Planner. Enjoy the simple things in life. Love that so much. This looks like the washi, but there's like little rainbows in that. That's cute. Breathe in all the possibility that today holds. How cute. That's what happens in my house if I try to do yoga. I can't. Wallace is all over me. So is Bumble. It's really not relaxing. Beauty is in the way you hold yourself. So many plans, so little time. Be known for your kindness and grace. Really, really cute stickers. I love these flags with the little flowers on them. Ooh, look at that. I love the floral pattern boxes because I can layer regular boxes on top and it just gives you so many options. I love using those. Believe in the good. Bright skies ahead. Be your own kind of happy. Bring on the fun. More of these. Yes, pattern boxes are my fave. Create what you love. Enjoy the sunshine. Ooh, look at these. They're swinging. Let's see what these are. Okay, so these are the arch ones, like that. They're all different girls swinging on the swings in a tree of flowers. How cute is that? And then these little washi strips, you know I love those. Ooh, look, you get lots of different colors of them. The blue and the gray and yellow and pink. And then the blue and the green. These say so many plans and those pretty colors, and this one's lined. You get a lot of these strips. All right, so here we have some double boxes. Put your heart into all you do. Big plans. Ooh, I like this size. I like that. This would be good for a gratitude list. Slow down today. Be an encouragement today, or be an encourager today, I should say. Above all, be kind. Look at a little dog. New day, fresh start. Work hard, get it done. Here's a bunch of computers for all you workaholics out there. Okay, now we're into the clear stickers. We have a bunch of little florals, so you can put patches of flowers all over your spreads. Make a whole bunch of flower gardens. Okay, to-dos, lots of to-dos, lots and lots. But they're really cute. Like, I know they have little scribbles on them, but you could write your plans on that too. It's really small, but you could totally do that. You could even white out the little scribbles. That was on paper. This is clear. We have lots of coffee and tea for you guys who need a caffeine fix in your planner. And then busy day, noted. Look at these. These are cute. There are so many things that I could do with these circle stickers. My mind is racing with ideas. Hooray for the weekend. Excited for the weekend. Finally the weekend. And then here is clear girls on bicycles. And these guys, what are they doing? Oh, they've got their drinks. They're toasting. They're all sitting. That's interesting. They're sitting with their drinks. Look how little these drinks in the middle are. Tiny little drinks. They're like little strawberry daiquiris and stuff. I don't know. A lot of different girls here, and they're all sitting. I don't know about that page. That's a little weird, but I kind of like it. Okay, we have girls in the patches of flowers here. Clear paper. Lots of yoga cats. Lots of them. Lots of yoga cats. I'm here for it. These are also on paper. These are cut out with the girls around, and you can put them right on the edge of your page or in a box. Wow, look at these girls. They all have the same skirt. The first thing I saw when I opened this page was, why do all of these girls have the same skirt and the same shirt? They're all in the same outfit, Happy Planner. Couldn't you change the color of their shirts at least? And these two have twin dogs. And so do these. Wait. Okay. Well, you know. But, okay. The good thing is you can take your acrylograph pens from Archer and Olive and you can color in the skirts or the shirts and make different people. You can even color in the dogs if you want. That would be really hard, but yeah. If you haven't seen any of my videos where I use acrylograph pens, they're amazing. You could totally do that. Weekend at home. She's relaxing. Look at this. Oh my goodness. A little kitten on a pillow, I think. It's so small, it's hard to tell. I think she's on a pillow. Another page of these, except with puppies. Okay. Equal opportunity pets here. That's good. That's very good, Happy Planner. I forgive you for the skirts because this is really nice. And these dogs are really cute. Look. They're so small. They're like so small. Look at my hand. I mean, even look at my fingernail. This dog's smaller than my fingernail. I'm so glad they put dogs in here though. Ooh, look at this. These are on clear. There's a lot of little stickers in here, which it's kind of fun because you can create little scenes around. You can even create scenes within boxes, which should be fun. We have flowers in a field. Well, they're not in a field, but you can make them in a field. These really pretty butterflies. And then the little vases with the flowers, they're so cute. We have 2 pages of them, except this page has gold foil in little bits on them, which I appreciate in the little stickers. Okay, this is also on clear. We have some silver foil on this one. Perfect day, weekend with friends, life is better with friends. So some smaller quotes to pop into different sections of your page, which is always appreciated. So that is a really cute sticker book. I really like that one. And we're going to put all of the stuff back into my cute little pouch. There goes the sticker book. Bye. There's the washi. And then the sticky notes. Wait, what else? What else? The cutie pie bookmarks. Let's zip it up. And there we have it. Our cute little Squad Girl bundle available today. Actually available right now. So my recommendation for this, and I wouldn't recommend this every time. I know you might be waiting for free shipping on Monday, but my advice to you is not to wait on this one. I think you could wait on some of the other things, but this one I think is going to sell out because Squad Girls are so big in Happy Planner land, and I think everybody's going to want this one. So I think that would be my recommendation, is not to sleep on this one, but you can take your chances. I don't know. I think it's going to sell out, but I don't know how many they've ordered, so I can't say that for sure. Anyway, really cute bundle. I really, really like it. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.